So hey there guys, this is another location, stunning location that a lot of visitors never get to see. This is called Ayrburn, A-Y-R-B-U-R-N, and it's being developed sort of through the COVID time, but really starting to accelerate now. They're building quite a stunning high-end retirement hotel here, a very high-end, so we're talking a couple of $1 million minimum just for a 1 or 2 bedroom, which in my mind's ridiculous, but there'll be people that'll buy into it because of where it is and the fact that it's quite a signature class destination. I'll just turn this around. So this is part of the Queenstown Trail. So Queenstown's really gifted with some amazing bike trails, and engineering and the sheer volume of planning that's gone into this location is quite stunning. Really top spot to come and have lunch or dinner. There's quite a few choices coming online soon, but it's called Ayrburn. It's between Lake Layes and Arrowtown, so it's about a 20-minute drive from Central Queenstown. Bit of a windy day today, so I'm going to just take you through Ayrburn briefly. It's a Saturday here, quite busy, and hopefully it'll encourage some of you to actually make a stop in here, because in my opinion it's one of the top 5 destinations to have a lunch or dinner at, with space and walks in all of Queenstown. So this is the beautiful schist rock that's synonymous to this corner of New Zealand, and it's what they built the early buildings out of when the gold miners arrived here in just after the mid 1800s. So right up in the valley, up in here, is where that hotel's going. And they've got a lot of building to do yet, but it's really taking shape. Quite a stunning location.
We got the rose there? Yeah.
So we've circumnavigated the outside. We're just going to go through the guts of it now, just give you a quick look. But yeah, well worth the effort coming here, guys. We bring a lot of private tour groups in here for a few hours, or often evening dinner as well. So you can see quite clearly as it's taking shape, there's more and more venues being added to it. So I'm only guessing there'll be about 8 or 9 different venues to wine, dine and entertain in. And then this is the amphitheatre. So I can see this doing very, very well with private concerts. So in the not too distant future, there'll be, I don't know, what would this take? 400 to 500 people comfortably, maybe even 6. And then that's looking up into Arrowtown, guys, and up into Brow Peak. A little bit of snow up there, which is very unseasonal for November. And then over behind me here through the gap is the famous Remarkables ski field. So this is Ayrburn, worth the effort, take the time and come and experience it, especially on a blue sky day. This is Phil.